Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to download H2M and join servers in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To download H2M and join servers for Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered, follow these steps. First, you need to download the H2M mod files. You can find the mod on GitHub or through torrent links. If you choose to download via torrent, use a torrent client like BitTorrent. Look for the HMMOD torrent file and download it. Once the download is complete, extract the files from the HMZip or RAR archive. Next, locate your Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered installation directory. You can do this by right-clicking the game in your Steam library and selecting Open File Location. After you've accessed the game folder, drag and drop the extracted HM files into this directory. This should include the HMIEXE file and any other necessary files. Now you need to launch the mod. Open the HMIEXE file. This will allow you to run the HM mod instead of the standard game. To join a server, you will need to access a server list. Go to the server list link provided, which is usually something like click on the HM section to view available servers. Find a server you want to join and click the connect button next to it. This will give you a connection command that looks something like connect 38452001782760. Return to the game, open the console by pressing the key, paste the connection command, and press enter. You should now be connected to the server and ready to play. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. You consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.